Hi everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can speed up the video on your iPhone 14 series device. Alrighty, so first of all you need to get the free application from Apple that is called iMovie. You can do that by using the App Store obviously. So in here at the search bar type in iMovie just like so. Once the needed app is found, you will have the download button right over here, so tap it and wait until the device will download and install the iMovie app. Next you gotta launch it. In here choose the movie project mode, then select what particular video you would like to increase the speed of, then create movie. In here at the very bottom you'll find the timeline which you want to tap on. Over here at this additional menu that appears at the bottom, tap on this speedometer icon right here, which actually is responsible for the speed, whether you want to increase or decrease it. And from here just move this little toggle to the right and it basically allows you to speed up the video up to twice the speed it had originally. Alrighty, next you gotta tap on this done button if you would like to save this little movie you just created. After that, at the bottom tap on the share icon, save video, and as you can see this little dialog window says that this particular movie, this particular video has been successfully exported, therefore saved to your photo library. And now you'll be able to enter the gallery and find it at your recents section. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.